In a chaotic world of technology, endless products, AI literally doing anything, why don't we just slow down for a second, breathe, and do something that makes us feel human again? Last weekend, I sat down with no deadline, nothing to solve, just a blank canvas and an idea, tinkering around to ease the feeling that I didn't create something on my own for a long time. Creepy, right? This one is called creative coding. Using code to make art, not to solve a problem, not to fix anything, not to ship a feature, but just to make something worth looking at. The tools I'm using is p5js. It's free, runs in the browser. You just go to their website and you can start playing. But personally, I like having it locally. After a bit of setting up, we can now just mess around. I went for a walk in the park that morning. I noticed the birds, how funky they are, how every single one of them move differently. I came home, pick up my notebook, turn on my laptop and just start typing. Change the size, shift the proportions. Now I got the first bird. Tweak it a little, and you got a second bird and third coming along. Repeating the process, and then you got a various collection of your birds. That's the part that pulls you in. Every small change has a personality. And now we add some random factor to make it completely different each time. The rotation, the type of a bird. And here's the thing, it's now generative, meaning that every time you run it, it's completely different. You write the rules and the computer surprises you within them. Under the hood, it's just math. But you don't need to understand the heavy side of it to feel it. You just imagine something, type it, and see what happens. Doesn't that feel like a breath of fresh air?